Hey y'all, it's Kay. Let's get into this wig sent from Nadula Hair. They sent me over their layered bob wig. This wig is 10 inches. It's also a Yaki texture and it's a 7x5 Baba knot lace wig. If you guys are interested, be sure to check below in my description box for links and details just in case I missed anything throughout this video. But as you can see, we are serving a looks. And this is what the hairline looks like. It already comes with pre-cut lace. The hairline is pre-plucked. This is what the lace looks like against my skin. Very nice. It's only one comb in this wig, and that is in the back. It also comes with the drawstring. The wig, as you can see, I did go in and straighten it. It does have layers. The layers are really cute. Look at that. Here is the hairline. But the layers are really cute. It's not doing too much, but it looks super natural. And my bun, I do have a bun in the back. You know, my bun is getting kind of hefty, y'all, so it's starting to show through again in my wigs. I'm gonna have to end up braiding my hair from now on because the bun is bunning, it's thick, okay? My hair is really growing, but don't mind it if you can see it. Sharp! But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. Very much bouncy and juicy and just not stiff. You know, real cute, and no baby hair, no edges out. The hairline is really nice. The lace blends in perfectly, and as you can see, it's glueless.